Today we're making slow cooker gnocchi soup with cheddar and bacon. First things first, in a skillet you brown up bits of bacon, and to that add about 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of onions, and about 1 cup of diced celery. Cook it for just a few minutes in the skillet and add a pat of butter along with salt and pepper. By the way, I'll leave the printable recipe link in the description box for you. Don't forget to look for it. Now it's time to add the bacon and the vegetables into the slow cooker in a nice even layer. Next up, add 6 cups of, I used low sodium chicken stock, a touch of salt, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Next up, add dried thyme leaves. I like to crush it to release more flavor. Bay leaves. And some crushed red pepper flakes. Again, I like to crush it for additional flavor. Give all that a good stir. And then it's time to add 2 16-ounce packages of potato gnocchi. Stir it well to separate all those gnocchi. And then it's time to cover the cooker and cook on low power for 4 hours. After that, remove the spent bay leaves and add plenty of shredded cheddar cheese. Stir it well until all the cheese melts and you're ready to serve. I like to serve mine with crusty bread and a side salad. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and follow. Have a great day.